Mirror, mirror on the wall, who did the bombest makeup of them all? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing the no mirror makeup challenge. I have a special guest here. Her name is Zaineb, and long story short, I'm like her second mother, and we'll go more in details with that as we're doing our videos. So if you guys want to see how we do our funny and crazy looks, I don't know how this will turn out, but please continue watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm going to start off with my brows. What do you start with?
I moisturize my face. I moisturize my face.
Okay, moisturizer here. If you want to use it for solid gold, you can also use that. Don't know where I'm supposed to look. I think I'm going to just pick a place somewhere here. I'm going to keep my eyes on that place and then pretend like I'm looking in my soul. So by the way, she's using the Touch Waterproof Moisturizer. I'm almost finished with this. It's pretty good. I'm using the Anastasia Berry Hills Brown Pencil in the color dark brown. And I'm going to feel my brows.
I mean, I feel like you don't even need that much.
I know, but I
because
still,
your eyebrows are just so nice.
I do have thick eyebrows, but in the bottom, I usually fill them out.
Then I guess I'm gonna do eyebrows too. And this is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade number 5. This is so bad.
I
want to
know.
read her so badly. Like, where am I looking?
I don't know. That's how I'm picking a place. It's going to stay focused on that area. I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer all over my eyes and underneath my brows.
I feel like I'm making really harsh lines. It's so bad. I know I did. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm going to take my beauty blender. I'm going to just blend that out. I don't know how good I'm going to be blending this, but I'm going to press really hard. Hard as I can. Let me see, Zaineb. Okay, you're doing a good job.
Thank you.
I make sure we're going to do eyeliner because honestly it defeats the whole purpose of this video, because eyeliner is really hard, and so we definitely are. We're not going to put on eyelashes, you know, it's okay, but eyeliner is a must. I usually just use the
Tarte Shape Tape in Light Medium Honey. I had a question, like, for concealers, is it always like this is pretty
lighter
light.
shade, yeah.
Yeah, like it's always like that, like super light.
It depends. If you want to just to cover your your under eyes,
to brighten them, right?
If you want for that to cover it good, then you can get a matching, but one shade a little light. But if you want to brighten your under eye, then you would get like 2 shades maybe lighter. Okay, I'll just ladies palettes out for us. Oh, this one has a mirror. I'm not going to use this Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to get the color henna out of this. I'm going to just put it on my crease. I can feel my crease easily.
That's good. I'm gonna set the concealer that I use with the Subculture palette using the color Dawn.
If you haven't seen my latest video using the Subculture palette, please go watch it.
I saw that video. It's really good.
I love how the way the eyes came. The colors were
so pretty.
Colors were really nice.
It's hard doing a smoky eye. Like, you did a good job. Like, doing dark colors.
And I did not pay her for this. Okay, I did not tell her to say this good stuff.
I got $10.
So tell me one thing you remember about me since your childhood. That there's like this one thing you always remember.
Like, you've always just been really good at talking. Talking to people, talking to young kids, adults. You've always been funny. You've never been awkward around adults and stuff like that. Like, even when you started doing makeup videos, like, I think it just takes a lot of confidence, and you're not scared to like go out there and just present yourself like, yes, this is me.
Take me as I am.
And like, you don't care, like, if not like people like you or not, but like, you don't care like other people's opinions of you. Like, like if someone says something mean or rude, like, you don't take that to heart. You're like, oh, this is me.
That's actually right. So next I'm taking this Morphe 350M palette. I'm going to use this dark shade right here.
I'm going to use Sandalwood from the Huda Beauty palette. Can't wait to see how this turns out.
So I have this thing I always remember. Like, this is like the only memory, not only memory, but this memory is like, it sticks with me. I don't know how old I was when I started taking care of you guys. I was maybe 8?
You have to be 4. No.
4?
You're 4 years older than me.
Yeah.
And then you've taken.
I started ever since.
Yeah, like we've always been babies. So you know, like maybe 4 or 5.
So ever since she came from the hospital, like literally I was there, and ever since then I changed her diaper. And she has a younger sister too, who I used to take her after she came along. And so I used to change their diapers. I used to give them a shower. That's because their mom used to go to school, like she finished her education, and the father used to go to work. So I used to pick them up from school, I used to drop them off to school, and I used to bring them back home. And every time, I remember around this time, I think it was maybe snowing, or at the time it was cold. So every day we had a thing where I would bring them from school, I would give them a shower, I would put on new clothes on them, always put on new clothes on them, and I would make them noodles, because it used to be cold. And then we would sit in the kitchen table around. I would give them small like stuff to put on top of them because it would be cold, and we would have the noodles. And it used to be the most fun thing, but it used to be like, really the only thing I knew how to cook that time was just making soup and the noodles.
No, you were like, you really were our second mom,
Yeah.
in a sense. Like, Mama used to work a lot. I mean, she took care of us, but like you took care of us like a mom would. So funny.
So actually listen to me more at that time than their own mothers. If something used to happen,
I think even today we're like, Zaineb, like we're scared of her, like we can't, it's like you can't say no to Zaineb.
my lids, I'm going to use my hand. I always like using like my finger for my lids because I feel like it applies the color even more on, so, and it gives it much more pigment. From the Morphe 350S palette, I'm going to take the color, I don't know the names, but let's go with something crazy. I'm going to take these two colors, this one on the top, and then this orange right here. I'm going to take Black Truffle from the Huda Beauty palette, because I think I need some darkness on this side. Maybe I don't, but I want to put some darkness. I'm going to just apply that on the outer V. So, any other stories about childhood that you would like to share?
Well, my mom always says, I mean, I don't remember to be honest, but you always used to bring like when we used to go to weddings or family functions, you always used to bring, like, say there was gulab jamun or jalebi or something sweet, you would always go and get like a whole
for everyone at the table,
a bunch of plates for everyone. Then you'd bring chai for everyone, and you were never scared. You were like, well, what is everybody gonna say? Like, if Mama asked me or Aisha, oh, can you go get that?
Time,
yeah, we're like, oh, we don't want to look fat or embarrassed.
Yeah.
Like, you're like, oh, get out of the way. I need some. I need 5 plates of this, please.
Even to this day, like if we're at the wedding and like we're together, like uncle, her father would be like, go get this, go get that, go get this, go get that. I'm like, uncle, I'm not a kid anymore. I'm going to use my makeup wipes to clean the fallouts that I have.
It looks good though. Honestly.
Yours actually looks nice. Honestly, it's blended really nicely. I cleaned enough of my face. I'm going to go in with this Porefessional Primer from the Benefit, and I really am into this primer. I'm going to focus it more on my T-zone.
What's your first high-end product that you bought? Just your first high-end product.
That's, I would say Huda Beauty.
Did you really?
Uh-huh.
Thank you. Professional.
Okay, I'm gonna go with my foundation. I'm taking the Huda Beauty foundation in the color Latte. And I had a lot of people asking about this foundation after I put up my, the first video, because I used it in there. And honestly, I would tell everyone to buy this foundation. It's full coverage. You only need a really little amount, and it covers up your whole face.
I take the matte Hit Me for Less foundation. Eyeliner is always the scariest part though.
Eyeliner, right? It can ruin your whole eye makeup.
It's a hit or miss. I had that. The day of my prom, I did my own makeup. And I did one eye perfectly, and the other eye I messed up horribly, and I wanted to cry and go, so just scream.
Oh my God,
I took off my whole one. I don't remember which eye it was, and I just redid my whole makeup.
I'm going to use the Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Medium Honey, and I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes. I'm kind of going very light-handed with it. I'm going to put it on my forehead, kind of making a straight line, and I'm going to put it here. I probably look funny right now, but it's okay. And then I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, but I'm also going to spray this with the Mario Badescu facial spray. I'm going to spray so it's wet. I'm going to blend my life, blend. And I asked you to come to film this No More Makeup challenge. What was your first reaction? Like, what was your first thought?
I was like, what?
Why me?
Why me? I'm like, I don't know, like I'm gonna watch this video when you post it, and I'm gonna hear my voice and I'm gonna go, nope. I'm gonna shut the laptop. I promise you, I cringe too much when I hear my own voice.
I think that's everyone. It's me too, to be honest with you. If I hear my voice too much, which I'm going to in this whole video, I'm just like, Why, Zainab? Why are you talking so much?
I can't.
Like, why do you talk so much? Like, let the other person talk. Stop talking.
No. I was a little awkward. I feel good. I feel comfortable.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm gonna have.
I mean, once you're getting to the routine, and if the person you're with, you're comfortable with them, and they talk to you, not just like they're quietly doing stuff, then it becomes fun. So I'm using the Anastasia in the color Make. She's using the Fenty in Mocha. Okay. I'm gonna do our nose too. I'm gonna do all of my chin. I'm gonna go all hand with this now because this is for the sake of the video. Okay. Concentrating. I'm going to now go in with the Kat Von D shade and light palette for the contouring. I'm gonna take Shadow Play and Subconscious. I'm gonna mix the two. I'm going to just apply this wherever I did the contouring. Your mom and dad are gonna probably watch this video and be like, he's gonna say to your dad, you can't get them there.
No, he's gonna enjoy it so much. He's like, ये क्या हो रहा है? समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे.
Zainab ऐसे किया करो makeup ऐसे अच्छी लगती हो. I feel like I have enough on my face, but I just can't get over it. I want to keep putting on more.
Build and then blend.
So I'm gonna set my under eyes using the Huda Beauty baking powder in the color Pound Cake.
How do you feel about her?
I like it. It's good.
A lot of people have said it's good.
Yeah,
she
I
comes
like
up
it.
with good stuff.
She does come out with good stuff.
How are you feeling with the Demi Matte? I feel I find it a little weird because it's glossy, like glossy
and matte at
looking,
the
right?
same time, yeah.
Yeah. I prefer either glossy or matte.
I think I'm gonna be into it because lately, for some reason, I've been into gloss for some reason. So I think I'm gonna be into it.
I like chapped, like not chapped, like
a mixture,
like glossy lips. I love glossy
either one,
lips.
but
Yeah.
I'm in the middle.
Yeah.
This smells amazing. Okay, I'm gonna pat underneath my eyes, smile line. I got really good creases in my smile line because I'm just talking 24/7, and I'm always talking and I'm always smiling. So I get creases here a lot. On my forehead and down my nose.
I think I'm gonna take the same contouring. I'm gonna take this brush. Just gonna put in the Kat Von D.
Okay, I'm gonna let that bake, do its magic. I'm gonna go in with my lower line, and I'm going to okay, I'm gonna use the Subculture palette, and I'm going to take the color Fudge and All Star, and I'm going to just apply that underneath my lower line.
I'm gonna take henna and cocoa and I'm gonna mix that together.
I'm gonna take away the powder underneath my eyes and all over. My Luminizer highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. And I'm going to just apply that everywhere on my face. Kidding, not everywhere. There's a mirror on this. So I'm going to cover this up. And I use like this. And I'm going to apply it on the high points of my cheeks. I already feel alive. Even though I can't look at myself, but I feel alive.
That's good.
Keep packing on until
you're sure.
until you can see the shine in the room.
Exactly. Alright. We're going with the Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and the Nicole Guerrero palette. This has been like probably their best one.
Probably. I don't really use that one, to be honest with you.
Really?
I set everything up last night. I sent her a picture. I was like, look. And she was like, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm showing her head. She was like, I'm so nervous. She has it all ready already.
It came so quick. I was like, well, you know what? It's good that I didn't have time to overthink about it. So like one day it happened. Like this morning I went to work and I was like, okay, it's good. And now we're here. And it's a good day. That's all I can say.
Yeah. Use my L'Oreal eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner of all time. I do not like any other eyeliner. I don't ever use any other eyeliner besides this since I can ever remember doing my makeup. Yeah, this has been in the family.
Really?
All of us, all my sisters, everyone. This has been in the family since forever, to be honest with you.
You guys always use this?
We've been using this eyeliner before we moved in this house, and it's been in 10 years we've been in this house. So since forever. Okay, guys. Here it goes.
I'm gonna start like in the inner.
I usually start from the outer V. You know, let's see.
This is funny.
They're concentrating.
I messed up. I feel it.
They're definitely not gonna be identical by any means, but on.
See? Mine, I know mine is
No,
funny.
Zaineb, it's not bad. You haven't.
Your voice on. No, Zaineb, it's enough.
I think my one side is like probably lower, the other one's like this. Like my hopes. Changing. Zaineb, I'm not gonna kid you. The lines that you made are identical.
Really?
They're identical.
Should I mess with them more or no?
I mean, you made like you made only one line. That's all I'm gonna say. They're identical. I kid you not. They're the same.
Alright, I want to see that one. I'll keep it.
Mascara.
I'm gonna just put highlighter inside my eyes.
So I'm using the Super Fan Smash Back Mascara. And then just apply that.
Do you like mascara? Like, wait, when you go to work, you said you don't do anything, but you do mascara?
No, sometimes if I'm not putting makeup, I'll just put like a nice color pop eyeshadow and then mascara, and that's it.
I'm gonna use a L'Oreal telescopic mascara.
But I love mascara. Like honestly, all of us sisters have really good eyelashes.
Yeah.
So it's like we don't really need eyelashes, but when we put on eyelashes, it just pops us out. But even with mascara, we're pretty good.
No, I'm seeing it now. Like to the side, like your bottom lashes are crazy long. Like they're the length of some people's actual eyelashes.
Some people don't. I have a couple of friends like, we have no eyelashes. Look at you. I was like, I'm sorry.
You know, these colors don't look good on me. It's
Just put it
so
on
hard.
today because you never know.
And I know it look really funny.
Just put it
but
on.
You, know
You never
what?
know.
Who cares?
For the sake of the
I
video.
love colors like this.
Okay. I'm gonna say she's gonna go with that shocking pink. I'm gonna use this Heartbreaker from Huda Beauty. This is like a reddish tone. We're basically setting ourselves up for failure.
I know. It just looks. I feel so guilty.
Okay.
I messed up. I missed my lips. You're already laughing. See?
No, that it's fine. Wait, why are the teeth eating the lipstick? Our mirror's in our hands now. I'm gonna count till 3 and we're gonna turn it, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
It's not
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Honestly, my eyes don't look bad. My lips look like I was eating stuff but honest to God, our eyes do not look horrible.
You know what? I truly don't believe they look. We had pretty decent makeup.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, I don't think we did a bad job. I think we did a good job. I mean, I was scared, but it came out pretty good. Even the contouring,
the highlight is so funny.
Even the contouring is not bad. Like, it's blended out. If you were allowed to change one thing from the face, one thing, what would you change?
I think I'd go with maybe a more subtle lipstick because the highlighter is going too much, but it's okay.
I think I would probably change my eyeliner. I would want to have a good eyeliner, and then I think I'm good.
My eyebrows they came out kind of weird.
I don't know what happened to my lids. My lips like. Alright guys, so we just filmed this no mirror makeup challenge. We hope you guys enjoy this look and our talk.
Yeah,
Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it a lot.
Yes. Alright, so until next time guys, I love you all. Bye.
Bye.